Let's do an overview of installing RCS fittings on selector boxes. First, all factory swage tube ends must be cut off. This provides consistent line sizes to interface with RCS fittings and tube inserts. A minimum of 1 5/8 inches between the tubes is required for press tool clearance. A minimum of 3 1/8 inch copper stub is required for tool clearance between the selector box and the RCS fitting being installed. Measure each selector box copper stub and mark the cutoff locations. If more than 3 1/8 inches is available, use it. Specially sized inserts are provided by RCS for selector box stubs depending on copper wall thicknesses. These are determined based on the selector box manufacturer and model number. RCS sends the correct sizes based on box manufacturer's information. They are color-coded. Deburr the end of each tube stub so that the appropriate tube insert fits fully into the tube. Install the RCS supplied fittings per RCS fitting installation instructions. Make sure the proper coupling, adapter, or cap is put on the correct port per the RCS documentation included with each selector box kit. This will convert the box from a generic selector box to a location-specific selector box matching the manufacturer's computer piping schematics. Now is a good time to mark the selector box with an identifying tag matching the piping schematic as well. In tight or low overhead conditions, you can put the press tool clamps on the horizontal sides of the press tool.